Alright, Christine, I figured I'd show you how to do this via YouTube. It's probably easier. So this is a type 2 diabetes list from Copub, and this is a list of, I think this is adipocyte differentiation, okay? And so we're going to map, what we're going to do is this is our master list, and we're going to map these values here onto this value here. Okay, so what we do is to use vlookup, go here. I usually make sure everything's lined up here, so symbols here, and then the first genes are lined up on the second row down in this case. And you just hit equals, and you go up here and you find vlookup. I usually just type it in, and then click on it, and you go FX. Okay, so the value you want to look up is the list you want to map. The list you want to map to. I guess I can move this up here so you can see it. So it's this here. Okay. Next, the table array is the table here, right here. So you have to highlight all of this. This is the table array. And what's critical here is you have to hit F4 after you've got to the bottom of this. You have to hit F4 to lock it. So basically, as you move down the list, as you'll see when I pull down next, as you move down the list, it keeps looking through the entire list instead of shifting the search downwards as you move downwards. So I hit F4 once, and what you'll see here is, see the change. So if I go through, let me go back here. When I first started this, that's what it looked like. Okay, when I first clicked on, I highlighted the table. So what I did is I hit F4, and it basically locked the table. So it's going to search. It's going to constantly search left to right, the entire table, and up and down the entire table. Column index is what you want to put here. So if there's a value that's associated with a gene that's in this list that you want to place next to this list, it's whatever, so it's whatever column it is. So I'm going to put R scaled score. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, column 4. And the range you want to look up, it's just basically a logic function. You want it to be identical. So you want the value in this list to be identical to this list. So the term they use for the logic function is false. Okay. And then all I just do is drag this down here. And eventually I get there. Sorry if I'm making you a little drunk. Right there. What we have here, what this is saying when it says pound NA, it means this symbol was not found in this list of symbols. So it puts an NA there. Whereas with RETN, somewhere in this list, RETN was there and had a score of 52, so we can probably find it. Prove me wrong. There it is, right there. RETN in this list has a score of 52. So I hope that helps, and you can get done what you want to get done.